Hi, my name is Dale Maley. In this short video, I'm going to explain how I repaired a broken hand-cranked pony carousel. A little background on this project. I built this carousel back in 2015, and this is 2024, so boy, that's 9 years ago. It's had a lot of use by grandkids and adults, but anyway, in November of 2024, my grandson accidentally dropped the carousel onto the hardwood floor, and it broke. So I had to analyze the failure, try to modify the design so it would work better, and the end result is I repaired the carousel in December of 2024. Now here's a photo of the broken carousel. On the left is a plate with a circular cutout, and that's where the pony carousel drops into. And then it was attached to a dry box on the bottom, as shown on the right. So back in 2015, when I built this, I wanted all my models, I want to be able to take them apart in case I need to make any adjustments or repairs. So the idea I came up with back 9 years ago was to glue 4 little wood blocks to that plate with a circular cutout, and then screw the blocks into the lower drive assembly. Then I could reach into the round circular cutout with a screwdriver and I could install that plate or remove it. So the interesting question is, why did the 4 glue joints on those 4 blocks, why did that fail when my grandson dropped the carousel on the floor? Well, it's likely when it hit the floor it probably caught on that plate with a circular cutout. That put a lot of force on that plate, and that might have helped to break the 4 glue joints. The other thing is, this wood I used on this project is mahogany, and I used Type Bond 2 glue. And mahogany is a little bit different animal than say red oak, white oak, or maple. And it could be that mahogany glue joints are just inherently weaker than oak or maple. I really don't know, but I have that suspicion. So what other method could I use to attach that plate with a circular cutout to the lower drive box? Yet I still want to be able to easily disassemble the model. So the idea that I came up with was just eliminate the 4 blocks and just use 4 brass screws to directly attach that plate down to the lower drive box. The brass screws are decorative, they look nice, they will age fine over time in terms of color. And why, so looking back, why didn't I do that in 2015? I can't remember, but it could be I really hadn't started to utilize brass screws in my models back in 2015. Maybe that's why I never chose this option. I don't remember for sure. So here's the repaired model back in action again. So in summary, this short video explains how I repaired a broken hand-cranked pony carousel. Hopefully this video gives you some ideas for your projects. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe. Thank you.